did I go from this to this in just 5 minutes? Using Adobe Firefly and Illustrator. I transformed a basic letter into a polished high-end 3D glass visual. If you think this is cool, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, now let's dive in. First, I opened Adobe Illustrator and typed a simple capital G using Times New Roman. You can also try similar serif fonts like Georgia, Garamond, Playfair Display. This is completely subjective. Once I had the shape, I exported it as a transparent JPEG. This step is key. It lets Adobe Firefly recognize the structure without any distracting background. Then I moved into Adobe Firefly, and this is where the magic happened. I uploaded the sketch and typed in this prompt: floating holographic neon glass texture, black and purple colors, black background. I selected the concept options. Hyper-realistic, minimalistic. To get that clean, glossy high and finish, under Advanced Settings, I uploaded my saved letter JPEG as composition reference. That keeps the AI aligned with your original design. Within seconds, Firefly generated multiple spectacular variations. I explored a few and finally chose the one that felt bold, polished, and perfectly balanced. If this inspired you or helped you learn something new, hit like, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe for more motion design magic every single week. This is Rise on Motion, where we give brands motion magic.